Welcome back to another video. This is Print House Trades. It's your boy Print House Ray L. And I just want to let y'all know gold is about to explode. And if you're not positioned for what's coming, you're going to watch this opportunity pass you right by. We are sitting at a primal pullback level on the weekly time frame right now. And this does not happen often, y'all. But when it do, this is exactly where wealth is created. Stay locked in. I'm about to get ready to show you everything. Let's get into it, y'all. All right, as we can see here on the weekly time frame, right? Let's just do a little top down. Highest price has been, all right? We can go here. This is a respectable level, right? I'm making these kind of small because I don't want them to overpower the chart. Boom, another area. And then we have this area here as well, right? So we'll rock out with these on our respected time frame. So this is our weekly key levels. We got top of price. We got this area where we can go back. We can see that, you know, we had some push up. We had some rejection as well, rejection. And so this area is respected. This area is respected because it's the highest point the price has gotten. And we can see here multiple taps. This area is respected. And then there's a lot of taps here in this movement before we got a really big push. So let's see here. All right, we're gonna jump straight into it. We're gonna fib. So we can draw our fib from here, because this is a really solid move, right? And so, boom. Bottom of a big impulse, the start of an impulse to the end of the impulse. This is fibs. And if you don't know fibs, fibs are retracement tools just to be able to help you understand where market may or may not pull back to. And so the reason why this trade is such a beautiful, let me bring this in. So I'm gonna go so far in the future. This is weekly. That way we can also zoom in a little more for y'all. All right. So the reason why we know that this trade is coming is mainly because of fibs, right? The fibs has come. It's respected this 50% zone right here, right? We see a lot of respect. It broke through. Once it finally broke through, it came back. It retested, right? It did not break back through. If it would have came through and retested, then this area wouldn't have been respected. This area would have just been it would have just continued to go down and make lower lows and lower highs, but it came back, it retested, and then it continued to push. That's the confirmation, right? Once it retested the zone and it printed this blue candle, it told us that we are respecting this space and we're going to continue to make higher highs and higher lows now. So we got a higher high, we got a higher low, and then we made our next higher high, telling us that we are in this uptrend. This is the way market wants to move. And so why is gold going to make you rich? You ask. You say, Ray, why is gold going to make me rich? Or how is gold going to make me rich? It's simple. We have a very big moment coming up. It's not going to happen tomorrow. I'm not fearing you into like go and trade gold right now. Go get in your positions, long hold, long positions, or whatever, however you trade, and make and try to catch gold now. We are in a very primal area, y'all. You have to be able to have critical thinking. You got to be able to see the market for what the market is essentially giving you, right? And so we realized that this is equal low. We got here, we tapped out, but we haven't confirmed which direction we want to go. This is kind of middle ground. And so we need to see if price wants to come here to this level again, right? We want to see if price will come to this level, break this level, retest this level, and come down to here. That's what we want to see. If price does this, then we know that, okay, this is the primal setup. Like, this is like even more. We would love to see this happen. Why? Because we can make money on the down side. We can make money going down. But where we really is going to make our money for my ICC traders, right? You know how I did it. If you see my first video, box one, right? That's red. P1. Box 2, if this plays out like how we wanted it to play out and come here, that will be my yellow, and that will be P2. Now, the fun, where we make our mun, and that munyan will be here to here to here to even up. It's another level to 61.8. So even if we just say from here, right, and we make this green, we go P3. This is the 61, negative 61.8, negative 0.618. This is the move that we want to see. We want to see this thing come and start making higher highs and higher lows. Breakthrough, retest, breakthrough, retest, and start hitting these, you know, TP1, TP2, TP3, right? So let's just leave this here. And if we looked at that, that is over, what's this, 34. Let's just do the even 34 to 7. That is 36,000 pips. 36,000 pips. 36,000 pips. You do the math on that. When it comes to a 0.01, a 0.1, a 0.1, I mean a 1.0, a standard, or even a 10 standard, right? If you, depending on your lot, what you trading with, how much you trading with, you do the math on 36,000 pips. What you can make with even just a little video 0.01 trading 10 cent a lot, right? If you're able to catch this move, you're able to catch the break and retest, you see it and you enter in, that is going to be the trade of a lifetime. So again, let me pull this out a little bit. Not this one. I'm trying to pull this out. Right. So if we get to making new all-time highs, 72 might be really ambitious, or 7,000 might be really ambitious. But gold could definitely get to 6,100 before it starts to pull back and give us another correction zone, right? And so as you can see, we are in our impulse. We got our first move on the weekly. You got a correction happening, right? It can happen here, or forgive me, or right, it can come to this a key level right here, as you can see, tapped here, tapped here, tapped here. So this can come here on this key level, retest this zone, and then also start to make higher highs and higher lows, right? And so if it don't break through here and then respect this zone, come back, respect here, then we can also jump into this move, which is still, what's that, 4,100, 4,000, 4,000, that's 3,000 even. So you can make a 600 pip catch on the drop and make 36 on the full push, or 36,000, my bad, you can make a 6,000 catch drop, or catch a 36,000 and catch the whole 36, or you can catch just the 30,000 pips from here to the 7. And so that's really it, y'all. Like, gold is about to explode. You should be positioning yourself. You should be, I won't say hawking the charts, but just keep your eyes really open. Keep your eyes really open for this move that is setting up, because it is showing us clear as day. This is price action. It's been making higher highs. It's been making lower lows and lower highs in this correction phase on the weekly time frame. And so we looking at it, we got it clear as day right in front of us that gold is getting ready to explode. So if you got anything from this video, if you are going to be catching, you're going to be watching the video, drop a comment in below. If you have any, if you disagree, let me know what you think. This is a community, Print House Trades community. I want to know what y'all think. I want to know what y'all see. Are y'all seeing this? gold and silver move the exact same way. So if you go look at silver, silver is showing you a very similar setup. It's now have the big prices as gold, but it is showing you a very similar setup as well. So yeah, y'all, thanks for another video. Comment, subscribe, all of those things below, and let's get it.